G'day! The other day I ended up using some of my YouTube ad revenue money to purchase a new device. Purchased directly from Sony, made them price match, and it's in this apparent Sony premium box, which they reckon is worth about 20 bucks. Which I certainly don't believe it is worth $20, as it's not the star of the show. So under the beautiful wrapping paper, we have a Sony ZV-1, which is commonly known as a blogger's camera. So apparently a whole bunch of different information, different specs, but what I'm wanting is an improved video quality for you guys. Paperwork, paperwork, more paperwork, more paperwork. And we're in. And how big is this device? Pretty small by the looks of it. Charging cable, USB micro, microphone, or microphone muffler, pop filter, something to that effect. Wind reducer, maybe? And what do we get down here? We have the ZV-1. It does remind me of an old PowerShot camera. Yeah, let's get a battery in there and see how we go. Granted, it's not the mirrorless camera that I have been using. But being that this is designed for video footage first and foremost, I hope that it will produce a bit better quality. Also being considerably a few more years newer. We've got a 1240 milliamp battery here. So I probably will be buying a few of those and an external charger. We do look to take a full SD card in there as well. Click, over. Now the biggest concern I've got is that being I'm filming from a top-down perspective, I want to be able to see it. My current camera, it flips up so I can see while I'm working. The hinge itself, it feels nicely weighted, decent amount of resistance, and that's what I need right there. Brilliant. So I'll be able to have the camera mounted up here, spin the camera out this way, and I'll be able to see while I'm actually doing the job. Excellent. That's what I do require. So from here, what am I going to do? And again, being I'm not going to be using this in the outside elements, there's probably not much point for that to live on there. Put it back to the original microphone. And if we hit the power button, what do we get? Setup screen, English, enter. There we go. Daylight savings is on. Date and time. We are the 20th. And it is currently lunchtime. Yeah, don't need no editing. It sticks out a lot further than I was expecting. So this is going to be, hopefully an improvement. What I'll be doing from here is sticking this on charge. Zoom is not bad. Cancel tracking. There we go. It will be mostly running in the macro setting, I believe. But hopefully this will yield a good quality or improvement quality for you guys. Hopefully some better content. Anyway, I'll see how I go with this after I charge it. And looking forward to using this in the future. Catches.